Hey guys, coming to you today from my wife's hot mess dollhouse manufacturing facility. You can see she's over here working on her dollhouse, and she's been using miscellaneous tools of mine, such as my big old oscillating tool to cut her wood, and these knives. They're very dangerous, and she's getting down to cutting all these small pieces. So today I wanted to tell you about this HARDELL rotary tool that she purchased. This is really cool. It's super lightweight and small. You got a little button here that you push in. This button stops this from turning, so if you need to remove your blades or change to your different attachments, which you see here in the box, you get a whole bunch of different types of attachments, drill bits and little filing pieces, and then also the sanding pad. It came with a whole box of the sanding pads, and it's rechargeable, with your computer or your laptop or whatever. A little power brick that does not come with, but it has a light on it, which is super handy when you're cutting stuff. And you can either turn it on or off by using these buttons here. So if you want to start low and go higher, you use the plus. And if you want to start high and go low, you use the minus. It's very quiet, and it's been cutting the wood for her perfectly. So she really enjoys this tool. If you're into crafts, kind of hobbies and stuff, definitely suggest this tool. It will make your life so much easier, and I think it's going to be perfect for what she's doing here with her doll houses. So we're giving this one a big thumbs up, guys.